Welcome to another appliance repair video where you could repair all your major household appliances like a pro. Today we're working on a Frigidaire French door style refrigerator, and the issue and problem we're having is that the water level broke on the dispenser. So if that ever happened to you, you could just, as you can see, I have the control locked on, and you just hold the lock emblem on for 3 seconds and it'll be activated. None of the display control or ice and water lever will work. We have to take off the trim piece. We have 2 screws underneath, 1, 2 to take off the trim piece, and then there'll be another 2 right behind it to take off the display. Then behind the display will be the lever switch dispenser. The model number that we're working on is Larry Golf Hotel Bravo 2867 Papa Frank Larry Alpha. The lever switch comes with the ice cube flapper door and has some wiring connections, and this is the piece that broke on mine. The part number is 242270106. So let's get started and replace it. The tools that you'll be using is really, you can do everything with a Phillips screwdriver. The screws underneath the trim piece can take a square number 2 driver, but you could also do it with a Phillips head as well. Let's get started. Two screws are out, and the trim piece just come right out. First thing I'm going to do before taking the display panel off is I'm going to cut the power. Just to show you, I'm going to be using the number 2 square bit. It's called a square drive bit. After removing the 2 screws, you grab the display panel and pull out the bottom to you and come straight down. These little tabs go in a little hole in there. Take note that there are 3 wire connectors in the display board. How you remove them, they just have a little tab that you're going to press and pull out. I'm going to put the display board down. We have to disconnect the water line that's in the dispenser. You got a little clip here and it just goes through. Take note how far it goes through, about 1.25 inches on mine. You have it also hooked in over here. Now we can remove the screws and take it out. I removed the 2 screws and I'm ready to take out the dispenser with paddle. Now is a good time to wipe up the water sediment that's around the door flapper before putting it on the dispenser. So what happens on these, I just wanted to show you, is that the little spring breaks off the plastic. This is the old one that is broken. And I'll give you a close-up of the new one. That's the spring. You see how thick it is? And that's what happens. Now we're going to install the water dispenser. The first thing we do is put your water line in. Make sure no wires are pinched. You want that water line, like I mentioned, the same amount of distance that the original one was. This one was about 1.25 inches. And there we have it. We just got to put our 2 screws back on now. I'm using an impact drill to put these screws back in, but I do have it on number 1, which is the minimal torque. You don't have to tighten them up too much. Now we're going to be putting our 3 connectors in the display board. When you hear it click, that's when you know it's in. Going to be putting the display board back in now. You can see the little 2 tabs and the pockets. They go in. Once they're in, the bottom in goes right in. Put the other 2 screws. going to be putting the trim piece in now. Top goes in first. And when you get it right, it should hold itself and snap in. Okay, I'm going to check it out now. Turn the power back on. Hold the lock for 3 seconds. Control lock goes out. Now it's ready to be energized. And we got water and it's working. Try the cube dice. All right, so you have 6 screws and 3 wiring connectors. If your water level paddle is broken, you can fix it too. Thank you for watching. If this repair video has been a benefit to you, hit the like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Bye.